Ready to bag a bargain this Boxing Day? You have no idea how far your dollars could stretch, or how bright your summer could look with the right purchases. You already suspect you have the best pull on the block, but with just a few clicks, you can be absolutely sure. You can give your whole family the satisfaction of knowing their summer is officially supercharged. You can give yourself the peace of mind that you've done everything you can to ensure it. And you can give your partner another reason to be grateful for you, because those long, hot days spent cooling off in the crystal clear waters of your pool could stretch long into the new year. And, unlike everyone else, you could be soaking up those blissful summer arvos for a lot longer. All because you knew where to spend your dollars. So don't just splash your cash this Boxing Day. Make more of a splash with it by levelling up your yard with the help of Australia's leading pool and spa equipment specialists. Get superior products from top brands at unbelievable prices, all delivered with world-class service. Visit poolandspawarehouse.com.au and use the code SPLASH for 10% off Storewide, plus free shipping. Go on, splash your cash further this Boxing Day.